Welcome to another deep dive into the wonders of ancient Egypt. Today, we're uncovering the hidden secrets of Saqqara's mummification workshops, a site that has long intrigued archaeologists and historians alike. Nestled within the vast necropolis of Saqqara, these workshops offer a glimpse into the sophisticated techniques and spiritual beliefs that ancient Egyptians held about life, death, and the afterlife. The Saqqara necropolis, located near Cairo, is one of Egypt's most significant archaeological sites. The discovery of the mummification workshops in 2018 added a new dimension to our understanding of ancient Egyptian burial practices. These workshops, dating back to the 26th dynasty, 664 to 525 BCE, were not just places where bodies were prepared for burial, they were sacred spaces where the journey to the afterlife began. The discovery included a wealth of artifacts, including embalming tools, pottery, and a unique collection of canopic jars. However, the true significance lies in the evidence of the sophisticated and highly organized mummification process that was conducted within these walls. Mummification was more than just a method of preserving the body, it was a ritual deeply embedded in the Egyptian belief system. The goal was to prepare the deceased for the afterlife, ensuring their physical and spiritual well-being. The process was believed to be a reenactment of the death and resurrection of Osiris, the god of the afterlife. The mummification workshops at Saqqara were designed to facilitate this process. Bodies were carefully cleaned, dehydrated using natron, a natural salt, and then wrapped in linen. But this was not a one-size-fits-all procedure. Each mummification was tailored to the individual, with the level of care and materials used often reflecting the deceased's social status. Priests played a crucial role in the mummification process. They were not only skilled embalmers but also spiritual guides. These priests performed rituals and recited prayers to protect the deceased from evil spirits and ensure their safe passage to the afterlife. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Saqqara workshops is the evidence of the priests' deep knowledge of human anatomy. The precision with which they removed internal organs, including the brain, and treated the body shows a level of expertise that was unmatched in the ancient world. The economic aspect of mummification. Mummification was a costly process, and the workshops at Saqqara reveal much about the economic side of this practice. The discovery of a large number of canopic jars, each with inscriptions identifying the organs inside, suggests that these workshops served a broad clientele. The variety of materials used, from basic linen to more luxurious items like gold and precious stones, indicates that mummification services were offered at different price points, catering to both the wealthy and those of more modest means. The significance of Saqqara's workshops. The Saqqara mummification workshops were more than just places of work, they were integral to the spiritual and economic life of ancient Egypt. The meticulous care taken in the preparation of the dead reflects the Egyptians' deep reverence for the afterlife. The workshops were also a hub of activity, where the living interacted with the dead in a complex ritual process that reinforced the social and religious fabric of Egyptian society. Unpublished insights. While much has been published about the discovery of Saqqara's mummification workshops, there are still aspects that remain lesser known. Recent studies have revealed that the workshops were part of a larger complex that included temples, storerooms, and living quarters for the priests. This suggests that mummification was not just a ritual, but an industry, with a well-organized system of production and distribution. Another intriguing find is the evidence of experimentation with different embalming techniques. Some bodies were treated with resins and oils imported from as far as the Levant, indicating a network of trade routes and a demand for high-quality mummification products. This experimentation also suggests that the embalmers were constantly refining their techniques, perhaps in response to changing religious beliefs or the availability of materials. Finally, the workshops at Saqqara have provided new insights into the social hierarchy of ancient Egypt. The varying quality of mummification, from simple burials to elaborate preparations, reflects the stratified nature of Egyptian society. Even in death, social status played a crucial role in determining one's journey to the afterlife. The mummification workshops of Saqqara are a testament to the ancient Egyptians' ingenuity, spirituality, and respect for the dead. These hidden secrets, now slowly being uncovered, offer us a unique window into a world where the boundaries between life and death were fluid, and where the care of the dead was a sacred duty that reflected the very essence of Egyptian civilization. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the past. If you enjoyed this exploration of Saqqara's mummification workshops, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the ancient world.